Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace your auxiliary battery in this 2020 Kona, 2021 Kona EV. First off, you're going to have to pop the hood. It's located in the hood. It's a very, very convenient place to obviously change it. You're going to need a 10 millimeter socket, and you're also going to need an extension with a 12 millimeter socket for the battery hold down. Let's just go ahead and do a quick test on this battery first. So little tab, flip this open for the positive terminal, and then there's a cover here that pulls straight up for the negative terminal. So I've just got a multimeter here, and I've got that set to volts. So we're red on red, black on black. You can see we're at just under 6 volts, which is terrible. It's a 12 volt battery. This thing was on for about 5 minutes, just ignition on, radio working, and the battery just flatlined and died. So time for a battery. You should get your battery tested if you question it, and most part stores will do a free test for you. But anyways, let's change this thing out. So first thing you're gonna wanna do, 10 millimeter, let's take this negative terminal off here. So we just loosen that off. Doesn't have to come completely off, we just wanna loosen it. And then we can just sort of tuck that down to the side. Then we'll do the positive. That's this one right here. Same thing, just loosen it off. A little twist action, that should come right off. Then we're gonna switch out for our extension and 12 millimeter socket. We've got a bolt down here. This one's gonna come completely out. We need to take this plate out of the way. Then there's a handle that's on here. Yours should have that too. Lift straight up. By the way, you should always have safety glasses. Batteries can explode at any moment. These are lead acid batteries, very dangerous. You can go blind, so pretty important. You should wear gloves and safety glasses, completely up to you. Now, the battery that we're using to replace has these covers that are on there, and these are pretty important. You can see these little holes that are in here, and you'll notice that on our positive and negative terminal, there is plastic covers that are sort of integrated into the cables, and that's where they sort of mount into. So it is important that you have the proper battery size and the proper battery type for your replacement so that everything fits as it should. So then we're just gonna go ahead and install the battery. There's a ledge in here where the battery tucks into. So all you got to do is just center that in there. And then we'll just go ahead and grab our hold down. It's probably a good idea to spray some lube on the bolt and the hole as well for the next time that you have to replace the battery. Do yourself a favor. Start that by hand. Just make sure that battery hold down is located in the right position. And then once it's down and snug, just give the battery a firm shake and make sure everything's secured, which it is. Then we're just gonna go ahead and reinstall the positive terminal first. And if you have any corrosion on either of the terminals, it's a good time to clean them and just make sure that the metal is nice and clean. You want a really good connection. Then we go ahead and we'll tighten these down. Now this threaded block piece that gets tightened down in particular, it's sort of an angled wedge block that it's an odd design, but you don't want to tighten it too much, otherwise it may break. But snug it down, and you just want to make sure that the cable's firm and that it doesn't move. And then after that, you can just grab your negative terminal, wiggle it on there, make sure that it's properly seated and bottomed out. Once again, just grab a 10 mil, tighten this thing down. Nice and firm, that's the way we want it. And that should be pretty much it on how to remove and replace the auxiliary battery on your 2021 Kona EV. Thanks for watching. If you got any questions, throw them in the comments. Hopefully the video helped. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.